Welcome back to Tales from my collection. A spark is a little thing, yet it may kindle the world. When sparks fly, some truly great ideas come to light. When you face problems, you just have to act smart and think different with the presence of mind by focusing on the solution and not the problem. Do not blame the world for all your problems, but instead find a solution. Your success is determined by your ability to find solutions. There is always a way to go provided you look for it. When you have problems, do not get depressed because your getting depressed will be one more problem. Remember that even the hardest puzzles have a solution. Without inspiration, the best powers of the mind remain dormant. There is a fuel in us which needs to be ignited with sparks. If something is a problem, then definitely there will be a solution, and if you do not get a solution, then accept it to be a truth. If you are able to define the problem correctly, it means that you almost have the solution. The more you complain about your problems, the more problems you will have to complain about. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. So, by thinking in a different manner or by thinking out of the box, you will be able to find a solution. Now, over to the story of two peasants. Many years ago, there lived a farmer in a village. He had a beautiful daughter. The farmer had borrowed a large sum of money from the village moneylender. The moneylender was an old man who had a liking for the farmer's beautiful daughter. The farmer was unable to repay the money that he had borrowed from the moneylender. So, the moneylender proposed a bargain. Both the farmer and his daughter were horrified with the proposal. The cunning moneylender suggested that let the Almighty decide the matter. He told them that he would put a black pebble and a white pebble into an empty money bag. Then the farmer's daughter will have to pick one pebble from the bag. He further added that if she picked the black pebble, she would become his wife and her father's debt would be forgiven. If she picked the white pebble, she need not marry him and her father's debt would still be forgiven. But if she refused to pick a pebble, her father would be thrown into a jail. The farmer and his daughter did not have any other choice but to agree to the wicked plan of the moneylender. They were standing on a path in the farmer's field that had pebbles thrown all around. As they talked, the moneylender bent over to pick up two pebbles. As he picked them up, the sharp-eyed girl noticed that he had cleverly picked up two black pebbles and put them into the bag. He then asked the girl to pick a pebble from the bag. The girl put her hand into the money bag and drew out a pebble. Without looking at it, she fumbled and let it fall onto the pebble-strewn path where it got lost among all the other pebbles. She then cursed herself for being clumsy. Then she looked at the moneylender and remarked that if he looked into the bag for the one that was left, he would be able to tell which pebble she had picked. The moneylender dared not to admit his dishonesty. The girl changed what seemed to be an impossible situation into an extremely advantageous one by her presence of mind. From this, it is very clear that be it any problem, they do have a solution. It is the presence of mind that is required when you face any difficulties or dilemmas. We just need to handle it in a different way. Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. If an individual has a calm state of mind, that person's attitude and views will be calm even in the presence of great agitation. So think right and get your mind on the right track. Keep calm and use your brain. When you are in a storm, all you need to remember is that the rough weather won't last forever. The mind is a powerful force that can enslave or empower us. It can plunge us into the depths of misery or take us to the heights of happiness. So, learn to use your mind power wisely. Focused mind power is one of the strongest forces on earth. Life is not a problem to be solved, but a reality to be experienced. One should be mentally prepared to handle any situation, and for that, one should learn to adapt, survive, and strive the situations that they face in life. Presence of mind can be defined as the ability to detach yourself to see the whole battlefield, the whole picture with clarity. When you are in a difficult situation, you should try to control your perspective, because control over the situation and its outcome may or may not be under your control. It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it, or your attitude is that which matters. Learn to handle a difficult situation with a calm endurance. You should learn to accept and appreciate yourself, and it will help you to face any kind of situation with class, dignity, and respect. The best way out of a difficulty is through it. Don't give up in times of difficulty, because definitely there will be an end to it. These difficulties will actually teach you to realize your hidden potential. Believe that every day is another chance to change your life. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe.